Computer numerical control, short as CNC drilling, is a precision manufacturing process that involves the use of computer-controlled machines to create holes in aluminum profile. CNC drilling ensures high accuracy, repeatability, and efficiency by following pre-programmed instructions. By automating the drilling process, CNC machines reduce human error, enhance productivity, and allow for the creation of complex patterns and multi-hole operations with minimal supervision. This technology is widely used in industries such as aerospace, automotive, electronics, and construction, where precision and consistency are critical. The surface treatment of CNC aluminum profile, including anodized, sandblasting, powder coating, brushed, polishing, etc. Polymer color like silver, black, white, gray, gold. Customized color available to match the product, like the machine shell case cover. Contact us to know more about CNC